Hey guys, so I just want to make a little update video on CSS and how many different styles you actually can do and how different a website can look just by changing something in the CSS. So here is a website called CSS Zen Garden. You can go in and look at it afterwards yourself. It's a really nice website and I just recommend just looking at it to see how powerful CSS really is. So as you see, it's always going to be pretty much the same content and the same stuff on the website. It's just the CSS that will be different. Here's the first one, then we go into the second one. Do you see this? It's completely different. It doesn't remarkably even look like the last one. So you can see that there are a lot of things you can look at. You see here another one that's just a white one. The last one was colorful. This is more like a subtle white one. The same content, completely different style. It's really like a lot you can do with just CSS. Look at this. This spins around. This hangs. This goes down. Here you have the links. This looks incredible. And this is done with CSS. Wow. So you should just go in here and just try it out and look at the different style types. As you see here, it has a little bar here and something here and the heading here. It's completely different than the last one we saw, which was just a construction site. And you see here, this looks like a old newspaper or an article or something. It looks kind of like rusty and stuff. You can see how many different ways we can actually style a thing just by changing a bit. It's really amazing. Look at this. Does this look anything like this? Look at the difference. And you can see the same content as here, just different CSS. So the HTML it's the same, just the CSS is different. I really recommend going into here and just watching this and looking at what you really can achieve here and just look at it and maybe try out. You can actually download the HTML file, so if you just download it, you can try around with your own CSS with the same web page. So have fun. I hope you learned something new. See you in the next one.